All right, here we go with PYT 12224 certified football. 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Brock Purdy, Matthew Stafford, Devonta Adams, Patrick Mahomes out of 3/49. Certified starters of Kenneth Walker. Sam Laporta, Garrett Wilson, Adam Thielen, Xavier Legette on the new generation mem out of 249. Out of Brock Bowers out of 75. Good reporter card. Next pack. Josh Allen, CeeDee Lamb, Drake London, Jaden Reed out of 50, 14 out of 50 for the Packers. Franchise Foundation, Jaden Daniels. Let's open this pack. Let's top load what we have. Get your guesses in for the player on the last auto. Zaire Franklin, Jesse Bates, Breece Hall, Brock Purdy on the mem out of 249. Pieces of the Game and Immortals, Troy Polamalu. Let's get these top loaded here. Let's see. Up next after this one is our Topps Composite Football. Grab your spots in that. And we end the night with our Topps Chrome 2023 Hobby Baseball break. Those are the two breaks coming up. Lamar Jackson, Deron Bland, Russell Wilson, J.J. McCarthy out of 350 for the Vikings. There's a filler. There's a J.J. McCarthy certified rookies kid reporter card. Olukun, Aaron Rodgers, Jordan Love, Aiden O'Connell out of 275, Aaron Jones Gold Team, Rasul Douglas, DK Metcalf, Will Levis, Jalen Waddle, Will Levis certified stars, Brandon Ayuk, Kyron Williams, Daniil Hunter, Luke McCaffrey on the rookie patch auto out of 349. Ryan Thomas on the Franchise Foundations kid reporter card. Luke McCaffrey. That's going to Washington out of 349. Nice hit for Washington. The last two packs. Ramondre Stevenson, Trey Greenlaw, Aaron Jones. Rudy Johnson's going to be, what I believe to be our last out of 99. Rudy Johnson for the Bengals. On a mirror signature. And we have another Will Levis, this time out of 299. 159 out of 299. And our final pack of the break. We have Austin Eckler, Khalil Mack, DeAndre Swift, Tip Ryman out of 275. There's a filler. And Immortals of Brett Favre. Let's top load a recap and move on to composite football. Here's the recap. JJ out of 350. JJ Certified Stars. Out of 275, Aiden O'Connell. Out of 299, Will Levis. Out of 275, Tip Ryman. Out of 349, Patrick Mahomes. Out of 75, Brock Bowers. Out of 50, that is Jaden Reed. That is Jaden Daniels. Out of 249, Pieces of the Game, Brock Purdy. Out of 249, New Generation, Xavier Legette. Ricky Pachado out of 349 of Luke McCaffrey. And Rudy Johnson out of 99 was the guess of this break. Down to our last two breaks of the night. Topps Composite Footballs coming up next. 3 autos. Guess the player on the last auto in this one. We have the Chiefs and Vikings left in here. The Chiefs, we seem to always pull some cards for them. We'll take a look and see if it's filled yet. We got one team left. Kansas City Chiefs are the last team. I think we pulled several autos for the Chiefs